Competitive research is one of the important thing for you to plan your ACO strategy. Okay, so for example, if you see here, what I have got is that I use some keyword analysis tool and then identify a similar company or like an indirect competitors. What are the keywords people are like searching in the Google, and also what is the average monthly searches, competition level, and all those things. Then after I get the data from there, what we did here is that we group these keywords into a theme. Okay, what is the purpose of the theme is that every videos or like every informations you read about content marketing or like related to the SEO is like planning your content pillars. So for example, from the data what we have got here, I can see here it's a multi-languages content. I mean, like people are searching, for example, Webflow multi-languages, maybe like Shopify multi-languages. It's just an example, okay? So your industry will be different. So they are searching about multi-languages. So I can group these as a one type of a theme. Okay, then later maybe what else? Uh, Maybe people are searching. I mean, this is like should be like website builder. So this is another theme. Maybe people are like searching website builder. This will be like website builder with the multi languages. Yeah, this is a kind of like a theme people will be searching. I mean, your target audience. So this is like website builder. So based on this theme, you need to plan your root keywords. Of course, multi language is already a root keywords, but if you want to go long tail, for example, multi languages with translation or something, I'm just like going random. Okay, and then this is like website builder in, for example, JavaScript. I'm just doing. Okay, then based on these root keywords, then you can plan suggested titles. Okay, and then you can also put for each of these keywords what is the volume, and then plan your content which you're going to produce. Okay, so when you're planning this theme, you don't need to like go one by one and then put a theme. What you can do is that you can copy this whole keyword list and then go to a tools like the classic the word clouds, sorry, the wordclouds.com. Okay, then after you go on there, what you can do is that what you can do is you're able to identify these like what are like a major like theme or like a keywords repetitively used. You can use this as a starting point to maybe like, for example, here let's say I filter for everyone. Start. Then I can just put like condition text contains. I can put, sorry, text contains builder. By these, I already can filter list of keywords which are like website builder and all those things. Then I can just like copy this thing and then put like these are all like related thing. Yeah. So this way you can plan your theme, then write down titles for each of these theme. Then you can produce your content and publish. Yeah. So it helps your organic SEO.